In this video, we're going to look at different ways to access weather and weather forecasts. So when out adventuring, you're exposed to a variety of different weather systems and weather elements, all of which play a really important role in the success of your journey. In order to really enjoy your journey or your adventure, and to stay safe at the same time, it's really important to just understand how dynamic and quickly changing weather can be, as well as how this can affect your adventure before you go and also while you're on your adventure. So there's a couple of different ways we can check weather. The first way is with our smartphone. Most of you will have your own smartphone. The good thing about this is there's a lot of different apps that you can download, weather apps that will give you different kinds of information. Smartphones and their apps, they're dynamic, they're always updating. The weather's recent and it's always being refreshed. That means you're getting the most recent information possible, and you'll always know what's happening around you. A couple of different places that you can access the weather. On your smartphone, you can download a few apps. The first one is called Willy Weather. That uses information from the Bureau of Meteorology. The second one I like is called Windy, and that gives you a good visual representation of weather and the weather systems at the moment and over the next few days. The third way is going online on your computer and going onto the Bureau of Meteorology. There's a couple of different services on here. One is called Met-Eye, which is really great, and also BOM provides long-term forecasts, which you can check as well. The second way is the local newspaper. You can pick these up from the local town that you're doing your adventure from. The good thing about these is you can get them even if you don't have a smart device. If your phone runs out of battery, you run out of reception, something like that, the local town's gonna have newspapers where you can check the weather. When checking the weather from newspapers, remember to check the date of the newspaper. Make sure the date is current, There's no point checking the weather for a newspaper that's a week old because it's not gonna be useful at all. The third way to check the weather is if you're out in the field, you don't have reception, and you don't have access to a newspaper. The third way is to use a satellite phone. You can call somebody up, ask them to check the weather and ask them what the weather is doing for your day or for your trip.